Hello, my name is Matthew Mulholland, and this is my Jupiter Artlands anime advanced interactive audio presentation. The songs here were put in a random music player so that it would never be boring. What the person hears, they would like it's three of them, so it would repeat, but it usually be a different one each time. The audio for the hotspots are taken from the sound from the scenes themselves. Invisible hotspots are placed like at the door. That's just chatter from the cafe, and in the sky that's birds. The audio for the visible hotspots and the buttons were taken from a startup sound and cut into different sections. The audio for the background was recorded in a forest behind Kinneil House. The invisible audio here was just people walking and nice wind blowing. Again, it was taken from behind Kinneil House in the fields. All the invisible hotspots were taken from Pixabay. This was taken from behind Kinneil House. Leaves rustling on the ground, again, as if someone's walking. Again, I was taken from the forest behind Kinneil House, with leaves rustling in the woods. Hopefully. The invisible hotspot for that was a girl crying over the statue. I thought that would be fitting for Weeping Girls. Again, the audio was taken from behind Kinneil House in the fields. The field audio was used for both of the firmament scenes and the cells of life scenes. The others were taken from the forest. 10 minutes of each were taken and then cut up into 30-second segments and given a loop, so they would loop. Finally, Stone Coppice. Again, it was taken from bird sounds and leaves rustling. The sound it was taken from the forest. Each was also given a wind sound to feel more realistic. Listeners have expressed satisfaction in both the UI and sound design and how realistic it sounds.